Hey guys, hi YouTube. I hope you guys are all doing well. I've been gone, I know, for a little bit. If you need information on this hair, I'll post a link below so you guys can get the hair if you want it. This is basically crochet braids. I didn't do an update video because usually when I try different hairstyle, I do a video on it. But I didn't do a video on this one. Anyway, so I have updates for you guys because you guys have probably been like, what's going on? I received a few DMs on my Instagram basically asking me if I quit YouTube, and that's one of the reasons I had to do this video. So I haven't quit YouTube. My priorities have just changed. If you're new to my channel, you know last year I had my son, and it's been crazy. The past year was so crazy for us. Um, I basically have taken a break from YouTube. YouTube is not my priority as much anymore. Not that I'm going to quit it, I just haven't had that time to really put into it the way I should. I feel like YouTube has become really like a full time job for a lot of people because it requires a lot of you for you to get it to go somewhere. And that's something I'm not doing yet. So I can't really, I can't say that, oh, people are not subscribing, are not doing this because I really haven't had that time to really put into the way I want to. And I don't want to rush it, and things like that. So yeah, this is an update video. If you do follow me on Instagram, you know I do post often so you can kind of keep up with what's going on and stuff like that. One of the first things, I started working at 7 months and it was really hard because my son was not sleeping. He just started sleeping basically when he turned like around 1, and even that he's still waking up like once a night. So I was walking like a zombie. Boyfriend was walking around like a zombie. Like all of us, like my mom-in-law was going crazy because we were both. They were all helping me. Basically, it takes a village, and they're all helping me out. Um, so it was. I was really exhausted. Like my eyelids were always heavy when I'm at work. I was chugging down coffee like crazy because it was just an adjustment, yeah. So I found, work where a job that I really liked. And I put a lot of time into it too because I really enjoyed it. It's basically working with a lot of babies, store, and things like that. I really enjoy it. So with that, I put a lot of effort into that. And basically YouTube became like a last priority. So I didn't quit YouTube. I'm taking a break from it because right now there's other things that I need to focus on. I'm gonna come here every so often, to post a few videos, but it's not like before when I was basically like a single woman and no kid or anything. You know what I mean? So it was just a different time. So yeah, I was working way more and going through a lot of exhaustion. And any moment that I was spending with my son, putting time into my relationship, of course, because that's important, and trying to have me time, even if it's just sitting in a quiet place and staring at the wall, that makes all the difference because it's all for your sanity. So I basically took a break from YouTube. The next thing was basically my son now is a toddler, and every stage has its challenges, as they say. So right now, he's mobile, he's starting to communicate, tantrums are starting. So basically, that's what we're dealing with right now. So for me, I feel like when you're a parent, it takes it's priority, and you really can't. You have to choose where you want to put your time, basically. So of course, you're gonna pick your kid and things like that. So that's where my priorities have been. I'm not rushing to do videos as I used to. And on top of that, another thing that really kind of caused me to take a break was basically YouTube. That doesn't really support small YouTubers anymore. They basically want a certain amount of watch time and certain amount of subscribers for you to get money, like monetary benefits, or to get paid, really. And for me, I didn't do YouTube because of money or anything like that, but it did help. It makes you feel good to be noticed for something. So it was like, oh, okay, I'm not good enough. No, I'm kidding. But it just feels like that. If somebody notices what you're doing, then it makes you feel good. So that's basically one of the reasons I kind of had to take a break and say, let me really figure out what I want to do with my channel and things like that in the near future, and not rush it. So until I figure that out, I'm still kind of like on and off on YouTube. It's not going to be something where I'm posting often as I used to. I used to post a lot of haul videos, for example, but now my budget is different. I just can't shop as much as I used to anymore. Even though I would love to, I really can't. So I don't have videos to post like on hauls and things like that. There's no, you know what I mean? So it's different. So I also want to do a lot more videos with my son, which I hope to do like mom videos and things like that. And So that's coming in the future, but right now it's just like I'm taking it easy. I'm not rushing to be on YouTube all the time. I do post on Instagram, and that's something I'm going to try to focus on a little more so you guys can go on there to see what's going on and things. But until then, yeah. Um, yeah, but it's just, motherhood is tough. It's exhausting. And it just, yeah, it just was exhausting. So I just basically just take time. I try to take time for myself, my relationship, and family, and things like that, more than rushing to do videos. But I really, really, I'm not gone. I'll be back. It's not like I'm quitting YouTube. It's just I'm just taking time for other things. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. Follow me on Instagram. I have my Facebook as well. And see you guys later. Bye.